Join me as I take on the challenge of restoring some incredible cars to their former glory. Car restoration is a labor of love that captivates enthusiasts and collectors alike. There's something special about taking a classic car that's lost its shine and bringing it back to its former glory. The process involves a meticulous attention to detail, a passion for the craft, and a dedication to preserving the car's original character. Restoring a car can be a daunting task, especially for those who are new to the hobby. One of the biggest challenges is sourcing parts, which can be a time-consuming and frustrating process. Many classic cars are no longer in production, making it difficult to find replacement parts. Additionally, the skill level required for restoration can be intimidating, with many enthusiasts unsure of where to start. Time commitment is another significant challenge, as restoration projects can take months or even years to complete. Furthermore, the cost of restoration can be prohibitively expensive, with many enthusiasts struggling to balance their passion with their budget. Let's take a look at some amazing car restoration projects that showcase the incredible work being done by enthusiasts and professionals. One project that stands out is the restoration of a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1, which was restored to its original specifications. The car had been sitting in a garage for decades, but with the help of a skilled restorer, it was brought back to life. Another impressive project is the restoration of a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, which was completely disassembled and rebuilt from the ground up. The attention to detail in this restoration is stunning, with every aspect of the car meticulously restored to its original condition. A third project that caught my eye is the restoration of a 1970 Porsche 911S, which was restored to its original racing specifications. The level of expertise required for this restoration was high, but the end result is breathtaking. One particularly impressive transformation is the restoration of a 1962 Ferrari 250 GT California Spider. The car had been in a serious accident and was left in a badly damaged state. But with the help of a skilled team of restorers, the car was transformed into its former glory. The before and after footage of this restoration is truly stunning, showcasing the impact of skilled restoration work. In conclusion, these car restoration projects showcase the passion and dedication involved in bringing these incredible machines back to life. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, there's something inspiring about seeing a classic car restored to its former glory. If you're passionate about car restoration, I'd love to hear about your favorite projects in the comments below. If you're looking for more inspiring stories, be sure to check out another video on my channel for more amazing car restoration.